NowLight gives you access to instant light and power, whatever the weather, wherever you are. We've created a really simple, easy and efficient way of generating renewable power, using you, anytime. We all take access to instant light and power for granted. But what do you do for a light and a power outage? How do you charge your phone when camping? And how about the 1 in 7 people who do not have access to electricity? This is why we've created NowLight, a renewable source of light and power ready whenever you need it.
Current renewable energy solutions are either solely dependent on the sun or rely on inefficient and awkward manual charging. We knew we could develop a better solution.
We've spent years working on the optimum way to harness human power. NowLight combines a highly efficient dynamo with cutting-edge battery technology. Just 1 second of manual charging provides a whole minute of light. We're excited to introduce NowLight, letting you generate light and power instantly. To get started, just hook up NowLight, pull once to turn on, and keep pulling to charge. Just 1 minute of pulling generates an hour of light. If the sun's shining, attach the 3-watt solar panel to charge up your NowLight. NowLight has 5 brightness levels, from night light to an ultra bright light, and the live power display adapts to the amount of power you're using. And NowLight can even charge your devices. Just plug in your phone or any other USB-powered device. With an additional satellite, you can also spread light around a room or use it as a task light. Our team of innovators and experienced product designers are driven by the desire to develop affordable, renewable solutions that can empower people worldwide.
Just as we developed gravity light to replace dangerous and polluting kerosene lamps, we're doing the same, but better with NowLight. We're building partnerships worldwide to enable us to reach off-grid homes with clean, safe and affordable power.
It is incredible how much we rely on weather forecasts and so-called local temperatures. The truth is that those values available online or through apps come from weather stations that can easily be dozens of miles away. Nothing beats measuring the values by yourself, right where you are. But that's just not possible and silly. So, we have created the world's smallest weather station that can easily fit in your palm. Simply plug WeatherPoint into your device and start the app. Simple as that. It consists of 4 sensors for temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, and ultraviolet radiation. With this information, you can have the most accurate weather forecast anywhere you are. Also, by measuring atmospheric pressure, you can know your altitude more precisely than GPS devices. You can also measure UV radiation and limit your exposure to these harmful UV rays. The housing is made from aluminium and titanium and ensures longer lifetime. When you're not using WeatherPoint, it is safely placed on your keychain, so you don't have to worry about losing it. WeatherPoint doesn't use a battery. Well, who likes them anyway? It doesn't even require internet connection. But building hardware is costly. We invested a lot of resources into making WeatherPoint possible, affordable for everyone. Thank you.
Cerveza.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
あなたにお会いできて光栄です。
Tell me more about your process here.
私どものプロセスは複雑でビジネス形態を深くご理解いただく必要があります。
Our process is complicated and requires a deep understanding of our business.
Hey guys, I'm a little lost. Can you point me in the direction of the beach?
Salut les gars, je suis un peu perdu. Pouvez-vous me pointer en direction de la plage?
What food do you want to eat?
My grandfather says the tom yum is the best in the world.
ปู่ของฉันบอกว่าต้มยำเป็นสิ่งที่ดีที่สุดในโลก
Your daughter's a delight to have in class.
ابنتك هي متعة في صفي
شكرا، ابنتي تحب أن تكون في صفك.
Thank you, my daughter loves being in your class.
Pocketalk, sound in translation.